welcome back to my YouTube channel. For old users, welcome back welcome back, and for new users, welcome again for the first time. Today we are going to solve another SQL LeetCode problems of easy level of difficulties. So in the previous two videos, I have solved easy level of difficulties and medium level of difficulties. Now we will solve easy level of difficulties, and moving forward, in the next video, I will show how to solve hard level of difficulties SQL problems. So today we are going to solve delete duplicate emails, easy level, then 96, 197 rising temperature, and 511 gameplay analysis 1. So let's start. So before we watch the video, you watch my video, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that you can get future notifications. Let me start with this one. So now here we have person table, ID and email as a column. ID is an integer, email is a varchar. ID is a primary key for this table. Write a solution to delete all duplicate emails, keeping only one unique email with unique smallest ID. For SQL users, please note that you're supposed to write a delete statement and not a select one. So this is a person table. Input and output is this: ID 1, 2, John and Bob. So John 3 ID is removed since it is repeated multiple times. So let's just start. We will select ID, comma email, comma row number. Let me give it with CTE. Row number over partition by email order by ID. So this is my row number from person table. Now I will write delete statement, delete from person where ID in select ID from CTE where RN is greater than 1. Now let me run this query. Runtime error I am getting. Okay, I think I need to give a this will be RN, and for person I need to close it with the bracket. Now delete from person table where ID, select ID from CTE where RN equals to 1, greater than 1. This is accepted. So the output is same. Now let me submit it. So it is correct. Moving on to the next question that we have, rising temperature. In this case, we have a table called weather having ID as a column integer, record date as date, temperature as integer. Write a solution to find all dates with higher temperatures compared to the previous dates yesterday. So in this case, we are going to use an analytic function which is lead or lag. The result table is in the following example: ID, record date, temperature. Output should be 2 and 4 because first date has 2nd of January 25 temperature, which is higher than the previous day temperature, which is 10. So it will be reported. So ID2 will be returned. ID3 will not be returned since 20 is less than 25. ID4 will be returned since 30 is more than 20. So let's just start. So we will select in the output what we need, just the ID we need. We will select ID, then we will select lag of temperature over order by record date. So this is my, let me first write temperature, write record date as well, temperature, then we have lag of temperature over order by record date and lag of record date over order by record date. From weather table we have, let me run it. Okay, here we need to keep a bracket. So now what we can do is we have lag of temperature and we want the IDs with higher temperature compared to its previous dates. So this is the previous day temperature lag which I have taken. Previous day temp, and this is previous day. From weather. So now if I select what ID comma select ID from this whole table, name it as an alias as a, where previous day temperature is less than the temperature. Where previous day temperature less than temperature and date diff between record date comma previous day should be equals to 1. Now let's run this. Now it's done. Output is 24, expected is 24. Now let me submit it. Accepted. This is how we solve the this problem, rising temperature. Now moving to the next problem, we have gameplay analysis 1. Gameplay analysis 1 we will do. In this we have a table called activity, player column ID, player ID, device ID, event date, and game split, type integer date. So player ID event date is the primary key for this table. This table shows the activity of players at that games. Some games, each row is a record of a particular player who logged in and played a number of games before logging out on the same day using some device. Write a solution to find the first login date for each player. Return the result table in any order. This is the input table, activity table. We have to output the first login date, such as player ID 1. First output date is 1st March 2016. For second table, second user is 3, that is 25 June. For third, 2nd March 2016, like that. So it's simple. We can simply write select what in the output do we need, player ID and first login. Okay, so we can write player ID comma minimum of event date as first login. From activity table group by player ID. Let me run it. Accepted. So this is how we can do the first login date for each player ID. Let me submit it and let's see if we are getting the right results or not. Accepted. So this is how we calculated easy level of problems, rising temperature, deleting duplicate emails, and doing gameplay analysis. In the next video, we will solve trips and users, department top 3 salaries. Till then, happy learning, enjoy. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.